You've got the wireless remote, which you can use to actually start the camera off and on, which is very handy, so you don't have to keep on pressing it. We've got the phone mount here, which is what you use to mount the phone onto the tripod. And we've got the basically phone holder too. Now, I had real trouble getting phone holders that could fit my iPhone. So I've got the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And let's see if it fits. So let's grab the phone holder there, put it across. Look at that, fits perfectly. So it's the iPhone Pro 15 Max. And it's got room there as well. And that's with the case as well. So there you go. And is it stable? I mean, it's not going anywhere. So it's really, really good, isn't it? So we'll put that down now. Is there anything else in the box? No, that's pretty much it.